So as this new studio is coming together, one of the major challenges you get in a bigger space is you get a little bit more echo. But today I want to share some really cool hexagon wall panels that'll dampen your sound in your studio or your office. I mean, they look great, they're easy to install, and let me tell you about it quickly because it's Thursday. So these come in from AeroZoom, and if you go to their site, they have a lot of different options, but I got the white and gray and black and gray for my space because, well, that's a great combination. The panels are made of environment-friendly soft felt, which is durable, it's light in weight, and it won't leave any damage to your wall. The felt board tiles for the wall sticks firmly to it, you just peel off the back, and it has a really strong adhesive force. So that's literally it. You just peel off the back and you stick it on and you make the pattern that you want. And not only will this dampen your sound, reducing echo, but you can use this as wall decoration. Like if you have just like a blank wall and you want to kind of decorate it a little bit, or like in the office, you can use it as like a memo pin board. You can also get Velcro strips and you can hang things on it as well. They're great. I love them. They do the trick. I might actually be ordering some more to fill up more of this wall space. And do check out their website for the current price. I'll put the link down in the description so you can find it down there. And you can see what other cool wall panels they have there as well. And yeah, no more of these little foam, crappy, cheap ones. They just look like garbage. These ones look nice. These ones not so much. Oh, time's up. All right, well, thank you so much for watching another 30-second Thursday video. There's a lot more happening on this channel. I'll try to give you a studio tour at some point, but still putting it together. But a lot of exciting things happening. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.